Imagine having a conversation with a machine that understands and responds just like a human. Sounds intriguing, right? Welcome to the world of AI language models. These models are a fascinating blend of artificial intelligence and linguistics, designed to understand, generate, and even mimic human language. They are the invisible powerhouses behind many innovations we see today. From streamlining customer service interactions to generating creative content, AI language models are revolutionizing various sectors. They are the reason why you can ask your smartphone a question and get an intelligent response. These models are trained on massive datasets, learning from billions of lines of text, to understand and replicate human language patterns. And the results? Quite impressive. But don't just take our word for it. Two such language models that are creating a buzz are Chat GPT and Google Gemini. Ever heard about them? Chat GPT, developed by OpenAI, is a language model that has been trained to interact like a human. This innovative tool is designed to generate human-like text, creating a conversation that's indistinguishable from one you'd have with a fellow human being. It's like having a chat with a friend, except that friend is a highly sophisticated artificial intelligence model. But that's not all. Chat GPT is also capable of answering questions based on context, making it an invaluable tool for providing information or assistance. Whether you need to draft an email, write an article, or just want to engage in a thought-provoking discussion, Chat GPT is there to help. Moreover, the functionality of Chat GPT extends to creating content. Imagine having a personal assistant that can generate written content like blog posts or reports in a snap. So that's about Chat GPT, a tool that is pushing the boundaries of AI interactions. Now let's shift our focus to Google Gemini, another language model that is transforming the AI landscape. A product of Google's ingenuity, Gemini has been designed to comprehend and respond to complex queries with precision and relevance. It's like having a virtual assistant that not only understands what you're asking but also knows exactly how to respond. But that's not all. Google Gemini goes a step further. It can generate accurate and relevant content, be it for a blog post, a report, or even a novel. It's like having an AI-powered writer at your disposal. Beyond these, Google Gemini has a multitude of other functionalities. It can summarize long documents, translate languages, and even simulate human conversation. Its versatility is a testament to Google's vision of making AI accessible and useful to everyone. In a nutshell, Google Gemini is all about making interactions with AI more efficient and seamless. Now that you have a basic understanding of both these models, it's time to pit them against each other. Let's start with functionality. Google Gemini is primarily designed to understand and generate human-like text, which makes it great for tasks like drafting emails or writing articles. On the other hand, Chat GPT is more conversational, designed to interact with humans in a back-and-forth dialogue, making it perfect for chatbots or virtual assistants. When it comes to capabilities, both models shine in their respective fields. Chat GPT can generate coherent and relevant text over many turns of conversation, while Google Gemini can understand complex instructions, even when they're not precisely formulated. But how about their applications? Well, Google Gemini can be used in a wider range of applications due to its ability to understand and generate text. It's used in Google's own products like Google Assistant, Google Search, and more. On the flip side, Chat GPT, with its conversational nature, is ideal for creating more interactive and engaging experiences. It's used in customer service chatbots, game characters, tutoring systems, and even as a tool for writers to brainstorm ideas. Now, on to their limitations. Google Gemini, while powerful, can sometimes produce verbose and overly formal language. It also struggles with understanding ambiguous queries. Chat GPT, however, can sometimes produce text that is too casual or informal for certain settings, and can also generate text that is off-topic or nonsensical. But remember, no model is perfect. They're tools, designed to help us, and like any tool, they have their strengths and weaknesses. It's about finding the right fit for your specific needs. In the end, it's not about which model is better, but rather which model is better suited for your particular use case. Each has its unique set of abilities that can be harnessed to create some truly amazing applications. As you can see, both models have their unique strengths and weaknesses, making them suitable for different applications. But where exactly can you use these language models? Let's delve into that. Language models like Chat GPT and Google Gemini are not just fascinating in theory, they also have practical applications across a variety of sectors. They are revolutionizing the way we interact with machines and navigate the digital world, making tasks easier and more efficient. Take customer service, for instance. These models can be used to power chatbots that handle customer queries in real time, around the clock. No longer do customers have to wait to connect with a human customer service representative. Instead, they can interact with a chatbot, capable of understanding and responding to a wide range of inquiries, providing instant support whenever it's needed. In the education sector, these models can be used to create interactive learning experiences. Imagine a digital tutor who can guide students through complex concepts, answer their questions, and even assess their understanding. This can make learning more engaging and personalized. In the business world, these models can automate tasks such as scheduling meetings, drafting emails, or even generating reports. This not only saves time but also reduces the risk of human error. In the field of entertainment, these models can be used to generate content such as stories, dialogues, or even songs. This could open up exciting new possibilities for content creators, making the creative process more dynamic and interactive. In the healthcare sector, they can be used to analyze patient data, predict health risks, and provide personalized health advice. This could lead to improved patient care and more effective health interventions. In the realm of research, these models can sift through massive databases, summarize complex information, and even generate insights. This could accelerate the pace of research and discovery in various fields. So, as you can see, the applications of Chat GPT and Google Gemini are vast and varied. They are making our lives easier, our work more efficient, and our experiences richer. They are not just tools but partners, helping us navigate and shape the digital world in new and exciting ways. Indeed, both Chat GPT and Google Gemini are opening up new possibilities across various sectors. So, we have explored the world of AI language models, focusing on Chat GPT and Google Gemini. We dove into the depths of Chat GPT, an AI model that is designed to engage in human-like conversation, and Google Gemini, a model that aims to understand and generate human language with a remarkable level of precision. In our journey, we discovered that both models have their strengths. Chat GPT shines in its ability to generate creative and coherent responses, while Google Gemini stands out with its deep understanding of language nuances. We also touched upon their applications, highlighting how they can revolutionize our daily interactions with AI, making it more natural and intuitive. But remember, these are just tools, and the key is to choose the right one for the task at hand. Whether it's building a virtual assistant, creating a chatbot, or simply exploring the vast potential of AI, both models have a lot to offer. In the end, it's all about choosing the right tool for the right task. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of AI.